Alright, so if you wanted to create in your writing portfolio the links and images like you can see in the sample writing portfolio, I'm going to show you how to add those. It's not necessary, but it does kind of elevate your writing portfolio a little bit, and it's actually quite simple. So if you are on your home page here, and again working in Google Chrome, you are going to click over here by pages, click on insert again like we've already done, and go down to the layout that you need. If you are junior high, you would click on this because there's 3 years there. High school, I'm going to click on that one because there's 4, and then there's going to be a box for each grade level. So here we go. I'm going to type in English 1, English 2, English 3, and English 4. Excuse me. So now you want to go in and find a picture. So there's a few ways that you can do that. If you click on the plus, you can either upload an image you already have. I'm going to click select right here, select image, and it allows you to either do a Google search or pull it directly from a Google Drive or one of your albums that you have on your computer. But I don't have any of these numbers, so I'm just going to go ahead and search for one that fits. I'm going to show you how you can make. You might have to play with this a little bit. So I've tried this before. I'm going to select this number 9, and as you can see, it doesn't fit in this box, so I need to replace it with one that does. So if you click up here on the 3 bubbles, go to replace image, select image again, and search. I'm going to type in 9 again, and now I'm going to click on this one because I know that it will fit in that box. So I'm going to go through and do that now again. Select image. I'm going to search for 10 for 10th grade. And I'm going to double click on this one. That one happens to fit. Again, English 3. Select image. And as I've already done this one, I know that typing in the word 11 doesn't pull up many numbers. I'm just going to type in the numeral 11. And I'm going to go through. When I was practicing this, I tried this one and it came up with a message that said the image was too large, so it makes you might see that message as well. So you just need to go find one that will fit in the predetermined image box and select it. It might take a bit of time the first time you're going through. The last one, select image, search number 12, and I'll just double click and see if that one works. There we go. Alright, so you can play with these. If you wanted to fix the size, if you double click on that image, you can kind of zoom in, zoom out. You could drag the boxes around if you needed to, but how much time you spend on this is really up to you. So now it's time to link to the proper pages. So if you click where you typed in English 1 and highlight that whole thing, if you go up here to this taskbar that pops up right above it, scroll all the way over to insert link and click on that. This is going to come up with all the pages that we have on this site so far. So I'm going to click on English 1 and click apply. And then when it's time to actually view your website, that link will take you directly to the English 1 page. So I'm going to do that for English 2, click on link, scroll down, find English 2 and click it, apply. Click on English 3, link, scroll down, apply. And English 4, link, last one, English 4, apply. So now our home page is set with all of the different images that take us to the different pages that we need. So then if you wanted to go to, let's say your English 1 page and do the same thing for the 4 writing pieces that you'll have, then you can go do the same thing. So I've clicked on the English 1 page, click on insert. I'm going to add my layout because there are 4 different writing pieces. Timed writing, process writing, number 1, process writing, excuse me, number 2, and then writing reflection. And if you didn't remember what those 4 were supposed to be, you could just click back over here to pages and see it. So what you search for the image for these could just be your choice. It could be topical with whatever you wrote. So for my students last year, their second process writing was a college research paper. So I'm going to go ahead and just add the image there. I'm going to go ahead and add Baylor because that's where I went to school. Click on little Pat Neff, select, and now there you go. You've got that link. It looks cute. Or I've got the image. Go to make the link, highlight it, link, process writing number 2, and apply. So there you go. It's as easy as that.